you might want to
What's up, guys? Today we're going to be playing Bloon's Tower Defense 6 with my friend Gabriel. Let's go. We already started because I'm dumb and didn't start the recording already. Anyways, video game that is fun.
Yes.
This is Gabriel. Say hello to, Gabriel, say hello to them. They can't say hi to you.
Oh, hello.
Okay. So, look at this thrilling gameplay right now. We're actually this is so hard. We're on hard mode.
Yeah,
And,
that does mean
yeah,
it's
this
hard.
is kind of hard to commentate because it's kind of boring. I mean, not boring. It's fun, but it's not that hard. We should have played chimps.
Oh, we don't
Okay,
have
we're gonna play chimps afterwards.
we don't have chimps unlocked.
We don't have chimps unlocked?
Yeah, we have to do we still have to do alternate balloon rounds,
Oh, we'll do that then.
and impossible.
Well, gosh diddly darn, let's just do that then. After we beat this.
Okay. How's about
Wait, I should probably... Sick. Thank you. Wait a second, triple dart monkey. Let's go. Video game fun. Triple dart monkey, kind of cool.
He ain't doing anything.
Wait, now he is.
Yes.
He can do everything.
Except hit what do you call it, leads.
Shut up. Give me money for a second.
Okay. Yeah. Do you want a village?
Money. No, just
Okay.
one money.
Okay, just village. Yeah, okay, just take the village. Oh.
Okay, sick. Yeah, what was that about not hitting it?
Sometimes.
Sometimes, huh? Oh, I can spam Alex if you'd like.
Oh.
I'm fine with this. It's cheaper than a village. How about that, huh? Huh? So my dart monkey can't hit leads, huh? Darn it, I literally just should have upgraded him to a paragon. I just wasted my money on 30 outs. Okay, anyways. Dude, Benjamin's wasting us money.
How?
The Moab just popped and he took the money from the Moab and gave us $11.
Yeah.
This is not stupid Benjamin. More like Poopy Ben or something, I don't know. Sushi Bento skin. Who's Bento?
I don't know, man.
Oh, a lot of things. Okay, look at this. Watch this Dartling Gunner real quick. Dart Simpson. Micro Sus Part 2.
Mini gunner monkus.
Yeah, I have let's just only do I'm gonna do another micro monkey. Mortar. Dream doo 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 doo. Mortar monkey, micro monkey. Oh wait, his name should be Micro Sus Part 3.
Who?
After this, let's do a challenge where we can only use micro monkeys. So like Dartling Gunners, planes, the mortar and helicopters. Who else can you like control?
What do you call it? You can control.
I think that's about it, right?
Yeah.
Oh. Well then, I'll do that. Yo, wait! Let's go! The imposter already has this many pops. He's gaming. And we're laming. Or, no, we're both gaming as well. Yo! PC nerds.
Anyway, Mank.
Oh, you're out of farming space?
Mank.
Bang. What? How do you afford this? Why do you have so much money?
Oh no, man.
Can I have some money?
Look at
That's a lot of damage. I'm gonna. What else should I do? I'm gonna put jungle jumps for these guys. Big radius. Yes! Let's go! We jungle jumps this idiot. Jungle jumps this idiot. Is it slow or is it just me?
No, man. This is just. It's so good. Look at the FPS. It's just so good.
Oh, you're playing on a phone, right?
Yeah.
Ah, that's why. Why do I feel like your phone... Why does your phone run better than my Roblox on my computer?
Oh no.
What is this? Let's go faster reload.
Dude.
I'm gonna get a wizard. Wizards are kind of cool.
Yeah, man.
I like wizards. Let's get one of every tower and like upgrade them normally. I already have a dart monkey. Now let's get a boomer.
Boomer.
Now I'm just gonna get them to like level 3 or something. Oh wait, glaive ricochet kind of cool. I'll get a glaive ricochet. That's kind of good. Oh, wait, never mind. Ninja Alk.
We are so good.
It's easy. Can I have money for a second? I need.
How much does
glaive
it?
ricochet.
And then you.
I need glaive ricochet.
Glaive ricochet.
Money.
Yeah. There. Your
Thank
money.
you. Oh, that's a lot of damage. That's like thousands of dollars.
Yeah, man.
Yo, let's go, glaive ricochet.
This just popped into my bank account right now.
We are popping up. Let's go. We're popping up. From the hit song that I haven't listened to because at the start of the song it swears, so I'm not going to talk about that.
I'm gonna start placing banks wherever I can.
Dude, you're going to take up all of our space.
Yes.
Stop it. Okay, let me get a... I'm gonna get a tax shooter right quick. Yep,
You get
tax
every
shooter.
single one. I'm
Let's
literally
go.
just
How much money do you have, and why are you hogging it? Oh wait, you don't have that much money.
Yeah.
I thought you had thousands of dollars, because every time you click that button, I get thousands.
Yeah.
It's the share stock. I just realized that's just stare stock and Bloons. It's just giving them money.
Okay, I'm gonna wait until my bank hits 3,000 and then I'm
What
gonna
are those?
take it out and give it all to you so you can get Grandmaster Greninja.
Grandmaster. I'm naming him that. I'm
Greninja.
naming him Greninja. Slice and dice. Give me rice. Roast and toast. Just give me most. Yeah. I'm gonna try and get like a ton of lives. One day I just decided I wanted to grind achievements, and so I did.
Hey, look at my money. You wanna see my money right now?
No, that's only $4,000. Lame.
Are you sure?
Ah! You went from
Anyway.
4,000 to 40,000. I could buy. What is this? Benjamin just hacked the U.S. government. Wait, you think you're so cool, huh? Huh? Well, guess what? I can do that as well.
Oh.
Welcome back to another episode of Did You Know Gaming. See that? That costs more than your college tuition. Just give me rice. Roast and toast. Just give me roast.
Put over there.
Take me the bees.
Why do I have $15,000 in my bank?
That's just because you're bad.
I have $15,000 in my bank. How?
That's how mafia works. I'm gonna plant like 2 banks and wait until like the end of the game. Actually, no, let's sell every farm. We're doing alternate Bloons rounds after this. Just sell all your banks and farms.
Okay.
I'm selling.
So do I
have
just
one
pop my money and sell it all?
Yes, basically.
Okay.
Sell everything
Yoink.
and just give me most.
Yoink.
Give me some of them.
Yoink. Yoink.
What is this?
Now that's a lot of money.
That's a lot of damage. Can I get a spike storm? Oh wait, yes I can. I could get carpet of spikes.
Get permanent brew.
Permanent brew? If I don't do that, then I would be bad.
No, give me the rest of the money. I know what to do with it.
Easy as this. I'm gonna get a tax zone. Can I get a tax zone?
Probably. Here. I'm gonna sell my feed under here.
Yeah! What the super monkey? I'm rich. Super monkey. Watch these boomers. Watch these okay boomers. Just give me rice. Bikey, bikey. Borny, borny. Sprockets, more like rockets. Because these balloons about to be blasting off again. What is this? Why did you just go dead? What is this round?
What?
It just go bup.
Really?
Are you listening? It's like they're only shooting every 1 second. Oh, finally! Video game. And it's just this again. I can't even see what's coming out, but I don't.
Oh my god, we're just too OP. We're just so good.
Yeah, we're too good at video games. Honestly, sniper. Sniper kind of good. Why did I sell my sniper?
But you're
I'm getting one.
me when missing one.
Full metal jack using.
Insta kill be like.
Let's get semi-automatic. Can I get a semi-automatic? Insta kill be like.
What?
Lifesaver.
Insta kill.
No one can tell me that the spikes are literally not just extra lives. Because they are. They're just lives. No one can tell me otherwise.
You could have got on permaspike.
What?
You could have gotten permaspike.
No, I just wanted to get these just so I could do this at the final round.
Oh. Well, why? This spikes.
Dude, we didn't even need this. We could have dealt with this OMG with my ninja monkey. Whatever. How did you... That's your 2-3 dartling gunner. Do the most damage. How did you make that much money? Okay, anyways. Okay, let me make a alternate Bloon rounds.
Okay, no. Let me make it. I have an alternate.
Alternative Bloon rounds.
Should I make it or should you?
You make it, I guess.
Okay.
What? I should play. Wait, do you have more time after this?
What?
How much time do you have?
The chimps? Wait, can we
No,
go?
we're not doing chimps. We're doing alternate Bloon rounds.
Wait, we can just go straight to chimps.
We have chimps?
We can just go straight to chimps.
Well, then we're doing that.
Okay.
Why would we not?
CRF.
Okay.
KDR.
Total death ratio. I never said I didn't. I never said I wanted ETN. But
Oh.
okay, I guess so. Wait, why did you use Benjamin?
I'ma head out now.
Benjamin's useless. You noob.
So, I'ma just, should I use 18 or Dora?
Just, I don't know, man. Use a Dora. Dora better. No, wait, no, ATN because of his camo ability. We won't have to pay for camo.
Okay, so play social.
I mean, that won't really matter because we'll just have a ninja monkey the entire time. But who cares? That alchemist to do 23 more pups.
Let's go.
So what?
CRF.
CRF.
HYC.
We should stream this and play with viewers.
You.
Bomb Hyper Squad. You should just name yourself, like, I don't know. Why is it Hyper Squad? Oh yeah, I forgot we renamed it Hyper Squad.
Yes.
Because the Muffin Squad. Wait, the Muffin Squad disbanded. Let's go. It's under fair use, under terms and conditions. So I'm gonna change my hero because you already have a camo ability. I'll be Oben.
Of the mountain awaken.
The spirits of your mom awaken. A new. Let's play. Yo.
Let's play.
Video game that we're going to play right now. The truth test BTD Master. Master. Luckily, I didn't say the D at the end, so technically it's not a swear. Can I get it open?
Okay.
Here I shall remain.
Cool, man.
Yeah, can I get money?
Yep. Who do you want? Etienne?
I'm going for a 032 Dart Monkey.
022?
32.
Oh.
Yeah.
Get the dart.
Strength.
And can't yours already hit what do you call it? Leads?
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't need to worry about that.
That listed like a lot of leads, maybe. Huh. So anyways, guys, today we're going to be playing Bloon Tower Defense 6. Even though I already started the video, like, how many minutes ago was it?
Like 5 minutes ago.
No, it was 20 minutes ago.
Wait, what?
Anyways, video game. So, this is a pretty thrilling gameplay if I do say it myself. Like, we're watching monkeys pop balloons.
Yeah, this is like a very fun game. You should try it.
Okay, it is pretty fun. We're not being sarcastic. I mean, we are being sarcastic, but it is pretty fun.
Yeah.
It's not fun in the earlier rounds. I mean, it's kind of fun, when you're playing. I don't know how to describe it. It's way more fun in the later rounds because you actually have a risk of dying, and also like you have to worry about. You don't have to worry about money anymore because you have banana farms, so you can just play around and stuff. It's fun.
The thing is, we have one life.
Yeah, that's not. Oh, I mean, I get money. I get money.
Okay, I was gonna get ETN.
Okay.
What do you want?
I was gonna say, I was trying to say, what you said. We have one life. I was gonna be like, and then I would place a spike trap.
Oh.
You see, now we have 24 lives. Oh, I mean, 66 lives. And now it's just a basic playthrough. It's just a basic Bloons playthrough.
Okay.
Easy as that. Let's get a glow gunky.
Wait, if
Let's go, glunky.
Wait, if I get a 240 heli pilot, the ability for support Chinook, it drops down like care packages of hearts.
Yes.
Is that useful?
Not in Chimneys, no. You can't get money either.
Oh.
Dude, I should have named this guy Gloopy from the Bob and Bossett mod. The thing Bob has on his shirt.
Okay. Are you going to save? Are you going to level up your lifesaver?
Corona glue. Nah, he's fine. I think. Maybe bigger stacks. Yeah, let's get bigger stacks. Ew, yeah. Ugh. Okay, sick. So now what? Look at this thrilling gameplay. Okay, so this is kind of bad commentary. We should talk more.
Yeah.
Gabriel, say something funny.
Hello.
That's not funny.
Okay.
Say, oh, I know. Among Us. Everyone laughing.
Yeah.
See? I told you. It works. Okay. So, video game that we're going to play. Comment in the comment section which comment we should do next.
Yeah.
So, comment what game you want us to play, me to play, and or Anthony to play, and or me, and or Gabriel, but probably not Gabriel because our channel is kind of horror based, but whatever. So, yeah, video games. We like those. We could do reaction videos if you want. No one wants us to do this. No one's hearing this, actually. I mean, someone's probably hearing it, but no one really cares. Whatever. Video game, that is fun.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. I'm gonna get a Bloon dissolver. Welcome to the underground. Bloon dissolve. Bloon dissolve. Bloon dissolver. Bloon liquefier kind of OP. Like,
What?
not even joking. Oh wait, Moab. This is not good.
I got a
Oh, Ninja Alk. Never mind, we're fine.
Yep. Yep. I was prepared.
Ninja Alk. Ninja Alk, quick.
I was prepared.
No, wait. Oh, wait, never mind.
I was
You
prepared.
fools. Yes. Okay, we win.
Run the sim.
We won. We just win. I got to level... Oh, wait, we need level 100.
Yeah.
Oh, look. I got to level, like, 87. Ayo. 83, 87. This one goes out to Machine Gun Kelly. Ticket to my downfall. I don't know who that is, but I saw it on Addison's wallpaper. Therefore, it works. It's a funny joke. She asked me why I was laughing so much, and I said, because it's funny. It really wasn't, but who cares? This was not a good idea. I can't sell, but I wish I didn't make this. The glue monkey already gets tons of balloons. When you get balloon liquefier. But whatever.
Yes, blue liquefier is very good. Also,
Can I get money for the blue liquefier?
I'm saving up for a stronger sun.
Oh, okay. Now give me the money. Yes! Oh, come on. Of course.
Now
Camels
we
come
need
in.
a village.
What?
Now we need a village.
No, we don't need a village. I mean, yes. Technically, this guy is like half of our popping power. But
A village is more expensive than a ninja monkey with counter espionage.
do we get that?
Yeah. Well, it costs less, and it turns camo into nothing.
Do that!
Okay.
Let's go! And, get double shot. Big shot. Be big,
Wait.
now's your shot.
Wait, should I just get another ninja alk up here?
Can I get a dun? No, we don't need that much.
Call that big?
You call that big? You should see. Hey yo, what does Mountain Garden Skin mean by that? Wait, why is his name Mountain Garden Skin?
Yes.
My Oben. Who named him Mountain Garden Skin?
Oh
Ugh.
no.
His name should be like, I don't know. His name should be Magma Cube.
Us in the chat.
Where are my O's at? Can I get a AI?
With time comes power.
Can I get a AI? Hold on, what do we do now? I have $5,000 and I don't know what to do with it.
Give me the money.
Okay, I think I know what to do with it.
Okay,
Give you money.
that's good.
What'd you use it on? Yo, you buffed our spraying Among Us.
Also,
Dude, I need to name him Gloopy. Who else do I need to name?
you need to rename. What do you call it? You need to rename your.
We didn't even have to worry about camo.
What?
Dude, everyone sees camo.
Yes.
No.
It's not an issue. We just wasted, like...
I search the horizon.
What do you mean? Camo is an issue.
No, it isn't. Etienne just made everyone in the area see camo.
Oh.
Anyways.
I'm gonna sell this now. I'm just
You
kidding.
can't sell anything.
Oh.
Chips! The finished game mode! Let's go. I love Engineer. Honestly, Engineer kind of cool.
Yeah, engineer kind of pog.
Engineer's like a really fun tower.
Why do I have 1 million over 1 million XP on my alchemist?
Tracking.
I don't know.
And the ninjas can't even target camo anymore. It doesn't even matter. No one needs to do anything with camo.
What which tower has the highest XP?
Which tower has the highest XP?
Yeah.
For what?
Yours. Your towers.
My dart monkey. Wait. No, wait. My alchemist? No, my banana farm. 'Cause the banana farms. Yeah, my banana farm has the most. And my second is the alchemist.
My from 1 to 3, my first is my sniper monkey, the second is my alchemist, and third is my dart monkey.
Oh, third's my ninja monkey, and then fourth is my dart monkey, and then fifth is my sniper. The rest, I don't know.
Why do I use sniper so much?
I don't know. Oh, this guy's easy. This guy's easy. This video is kind of easy. Not gonna lie.
Okay, I'm gonna
Easy video game.
Yes.
These, yes. Why'd you get counter espionage again? Why'd you get counter espionage again?
Because what do you mean?
You got.
Oh,
Why'd you do that again?
I don't know.
Oh, it was a mistake.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
We shall endure this.
I'm gonna do that. This guy kind of good. Spike factor for like extra live factory. He's a Benjamin for lives.
Yeah.
The more he upgrades, the more he gets more lives.
And Benjamin gives you lives every round.
Well, the pops give you money every round.
Yeah.
So technically it's just the same thing, but it favors lives over props. I mean, lives over money, which Benjamin favors money over lives. It's foolproof! It's foolproof. Oh.
Hold on, what do you mean by that?
Word.
Okay, after I get my last stronger stimulations, I'm gonna get a lifesaver.
Those specteries.
I'm gonna get
Why would you put it there?
like the balls or deadly.
Why would you put it there?
What?
Why would you put the spike factory there?
Oh,
Why would you do
I that was an accident.
what? Oh, okay. Hacky. Oh, I get it. Is that because you own it? Oh!
Anyway,
We can win, right?
yeah, I think so.
Yeah. Moab. Okay, if we can't be a ZOMG, then we can't beat it either. Oh, this is getting awfully close. I don't know if I like this.
Yeah. I'm gonna after I get stronger sims, I'm really just gonna start that you see that Taki, you see Taki right there.
What about him?
Yeah, he's useless. I'm gonna put my Taki in the middle.
You just did.
No.
Put him at the end.
Okay.
Put your dang factories at the end of the track.
Okay. I'll start
It's
putting.
simple as that.
Okay. 2-2.
There's no need to put it anywhere else because it's optimal. The optimal factory placement.
Okay.
I could probably click that. I could probably clickbait that as your title. The optimal factory placement. Five Nights at Freddy's security fart.
Wait a second.
Security mode.
What do you mean by that?
Why does beat Tim's first try? We're so good at video games.
Yeah.
Bro, this tree, nothing has gotten past this tree. Someone's gonna fact check me on that. I'm gonna be really mad. I'm not gonna be mad. I won't care. And they'll be mad because they don't care.
Oh, that's the tree. That's a tree right there. That's definitely a tree right there.
What?
That tree.
Shut up.
That's a tree.
The icon is a tree. Therefore, it's a tree. Simple as. It makes sense. Oh, bananas.
Banana.
More bananas for what?
There we go. Give me your money.
Hey yo! Oh, never mind. Hey yo! Hey yo!
Money.
Run that back!
Give me your money.
What do you need money for?
For spec.
You don't need to upgrade this factories! Factories nuts. Sorry. Okay, you can stop. You can stop now.
Yeah, that's good.
Stop now. Stop. Stop it. Stop. Okay, let's go. Bro, what'd you do that for?
He's useless.
With a piece of you with our cheese and vamos. That song is bad, and so where do you end this game? No! Wait, no, we're good.
Hello.
Hello, what?
Hello.
What about it?
Hello.
I. Retro Busters. We deal with everything right now. We can pop camel leads in an instant. Literally 10 pops per second. A camel lead is nothing. Why does your ninja monkey have more pops than this man? That didn't cost any money. Ah! No. Okay, we're good. Oh, that was... How are we so good at video games?
I don't know, man.
No, what? That's the opposite of smart placing. Use smart spikes.
Why?
Click smart spikes. Smart spikes.
Why
For
smart?
his targeting.
Why?
Smart.
Why smart?
Because it's better. Because he puts it on the wherever the track, like the longest away from it, so then he can make as many spikes as he can. Betty throws.
Yeah, that's there for a long time, and they carry on for 2 rounds. So there's gonna be more where that came from. Way more.
Where that came from. Yo! What was that? Is that what we call ZOMGs? That's a big Moab. That's a big Moab. That's a big Moab. More like that's a dead Moab. Easy. Or not. Nope, nope, easy. Told you. Smart Spike's OP. How stuff? Oh. This game.
Right back.
We've been recording for 40 minutes or so. Take or take. Yo! Distraction kind of OP.
Yes.
Yes, he agreed.
Yes.
Hey, what's that? What's that targeting?
Search the horizon.
What?
You can click to set a target for your tree? Bro, the micro is insane! I didn't know you could do that.
Where's your
So
tree?
it appears? Yo!
Where's your tree?
Yo! Tree! Dude, I can choose where my tree goes. That's so OP. With Among Us
How much does what do you call it? Spike Storm cost?
Spike Storm?
Yeah.
That's a lot of damage. Let me see. Oh, it's a total of $5,400.
Okay.
I have a good idea. What if?
Your tree.
What about my tree? Oh, my bananas. I'm gonna get a Moab shredder at the start because Moab shredder kind of good. Oh god, a monkey village! I forgot there was a thing. Because we haven't been playing with it this entire time.
What?
Monkey knowledge.
Yeah.
Little Among Us. Sands?
Unless they're placing as many what do you call it? As many razor rotors.
Razor rotors? You're a razor rotor. Did I tell you about the time in class where they were talking about like the 6th grade Olympics? And then they were one kid was like, because they said they were gonna do like sledding for one of the things, and then someone was like, what if you fall in a bush? Bye! So they said, what if you fall in a bush? And then Nana went, oh, then you start bush camping. That one Fortnite kid when someone has a gun. What did I build? Let's go, trees. Team trees!
Give me your money.
I just demolished a tree and said team trees.
Seriously, please.
Gotcha Among Us. Watch out, he's not Among Us. I said look. Like I meant to say watch and then also I wanted to say look. So I said watch. Look. Or whatever I said. I don't remember. Are you microing your motors?
What?
You might want to micro these guys.
What do you? Oh, okay.
Like control them. Because the razor rotors don't really hit when they're from behind.
Okay.
You have to like hold them on the Moabs. Or just keep them in place or something. The sweet, sweet sound of This game kinda easy. Not gonna lie. Video game easy, bro. Can we beat a bad right now?
I don't know, man.
I think we could. Yeah, I reckon.
If we get past the GGTs.
Dude, you act like we can't get camo leads. Dude, the DDT is gonna get destroyed the second it hits the perma spike. Or the auto spike. Deadly spikes?
Yeah, dead. Yeah, it's just very dead.
Long life spikes. They live long.
No, those are deadly.
You let you won't come back another round.
Yeah, it's round 91. We just destroyed 3 DDTs.
It's kind of hard to commentate, that is. I don't really know what to say.
Yeah, me neither.
If you want, we could do a thing with like viewers, where we like play video game with viewers. But we don't know how we do that. What do you mean, bro? We have extra lives for days. Howard, stop.